Just for you, and Mr. Moon, he came by to say goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for
Magmadali mga ka-Spark.
praying for the world and for the people
Basta,
everywhere.
hindi tayo nakaluto ng ulam.
Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you built your road. Paradise, that's one reason why I cover you sleeping.
Ayan siya, daanan natin. Tinanghali na tayo. Kailangan natin magmadali kasi hindi pa tayo nakaluto ng ulam. Bumili tayo ng gulay. Tayo, papakwet. Lutong bahay.
Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wild, but you built oh, paradise is one reason why cover your sleeping child.
Ala, paus!
Sleeping child.
Easy road ngayon mga kaibigan. Dahil linggo. Next week hindi na tayo tuwing Sabado na lang tayo makakalabas kasi start na ng trabaho namin. Linggo ako naka-assign. Dalawa kami. Mga ka-Spark kasi mag-harvest na yung 100 freeze wine ng grapes. Tayo pang araw tayo, yung isang welder pang gabi. Pag may masira, buildingin. Ganun lang ang buhay mga ka-Spark ng isang maintenance welder dito sa wine Andrew Peace Company. Mula doon sa bahay natin, ang natin biyahe ay 36 minutes. Punta sa market. Ako sa trabaho naman natin ay 10 minutes lang. 10 minutes to 15 minutes drive.
Life is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something
come winter.
You're pleasing, the feeling so strong. When I lasted for so long, but I'll never make your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know you were never satisfied. No matter how I tried, now you wanna say goodbye.